Exporting Salesforce data. We're going to use Google Sheets as an example to export data into, but you could really do this into Excel or Airtable. We're going to be using SyncWith's API connector tool. It's available in Data Studio, Excel, Airtable, and Google Sheets. You get it from the add-on marketplace in Google Sheets, same with Excel and Airtable. So we have it installed. Basically, all we need to do is open up the extension. Now you can connect to a lot of different data sources, whether using HubSpot, Facebook, Google Analytics, your own databases. We can pull in pretty much any data we want. But in this case, we're going to pull in Salesforce data. So this helps us export our data out of Salesforce. We're going to use SOQL. So SOQL is Salesforce's object query language. And we're going to try and do something really simple. So we're going to do select name from opportunity. And we need to choose where we want to insert the row. So we can choose to insert it into the currently selected cell. So A1, we click insert, and let's see what happens. There we go. So here we have, and we should give this really a name. So we'll call this opportunity. So here we have all the names of our opportunities. Now you would have had to authorize your Salesforce account. I'm already authorized here. So we can, now let's say we don't really know all the fields. So there's this nice thing called fields all, which can help us get all the fields for the opportunity. You do have to set a limit. So you have to set a limit of 200 whenever you use the fields function. So we can update this. This is going to get us all the fields on the opportunity object, not just the name. So we'll run the query. Now we've gone back all the different fields, so we can scroll. We can see there's definitely a lot of fields on the opportunity object. Now we could refine this. The nice thing is we have all the field names here, so we could go back in and edit this SOQL query, and we could maybe get the ID, name, description, stage name, amount, the close date, the lead source, if it's closed, and maybe the owner.name so we can see who owns the given opportunity. And we'll update that. And now SOQL query has run, and we can see that we're only getting back that data. We don't need these old headings, so we can delete those. Now, so now we have an SOQL query that's pulling in the opportunity data we need. We can modify that query if we want. We can also go in here and set a refresh schedule. So maybe we want these opportunities to flow in every day so we can keep track of them. And maybe we want to do a little bit of refinement here. So let's get rid of that limit. Let's order the opportunities by the amount in descending. So we can look at the largest opportunities first. Now we'll click next. We'll refresh this data daily. So anytime we log into this spreadsheet, and you can see here, let's try that again. I had not written order by, I had just written order. So now we can see these opportunities are ordered largest first, and this is going to refresh every day. And there you go. That's how to export your Salesforce data into Google Sheets, but you can use our tool to export your Salesforce data into Excel or export your Salesforce data into Airtable. It's all relevant. You just need to go to the right marketplace and get our add-on.